वो मेरे पास भेज देना, क्योंकि सन तो वन है ना। डन, प्रॉमिस? जिसके हाउस में सन आएगा वो मेरे पास भेज देगा। यस, चार्वी भेज देगी, चार्वी के हाउस में सन आ जाएगा तो डन। ठीक है, तो इट्स अ डील। जिस बेबी के हाउस में सन आएगा वो सबसे पहले निष्ठा मैम के हाउस में सन भेज देना, क्योंकि निष्ठा मैम के हाउस में सिर्फ रेन हो रही है। वेरी गुड। ओके, नाउ एवरीबडी हैज जॉइन्ड। Now you need to stand up for the prayer. Close your eyes and join your hands. देखो, कोई भी बेबी बैठ के प्रेयर नहीं करेंगे. Everybody will stand up. Okay, all my good babies will stand up and do the prayer. Rudransh, you need to stand up for the prayer and join your hands and close your eyes, everyone. Very good. Very good, Ableen Kaur. Yes, Shruti ma'am, you can.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, please join your hands, close your eyes. We will start with our Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Om Shanti 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 Om. Now open your eyes. We will do thank you God prayer. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, that the birds are flying. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God. We should say thank you to God every day. When we wake up early in the morning, we should say thank you to God for a new beautiful morning and for the beautiful creatures we see surround us, right? Okay, now everybody please stand up on the floor. Please stand up on the floor for some exercise. Yes. Yes, please stand up on the floor, everybody, for the exercise. We will do some little exercise.
Vedant and Vedika, please switch on your video, beta.
Yes. First of all, we need to do some jumping. Everybody loves jumping. So start jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Very good. Slowly, slowly, fast. Yes, very good. Very good. Now take your hands above your head. Yes. Now go down and try to touch your toes. Once again, take your hands above your head. Bend down and try. Yes. Now, take your hands, put your hands on your shoulders and move them in a circular motion. Everybody knows this exercise, right? Yes. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Now same with the legs. Take the support of the wall or any table. Then move your legs in a circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now once again with the another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now take your one leg besides you. You can take the support and fly like a bird. First of all, you need to balance on your one leg. Take your one leg besides you like this. You can take support and fly like a bird. Very good. Now relax. Yes. Now straight. Just stand straight. Take your hands above your head and do a namaste. Now bend yourself towards the left side. Now to the right side. Yes. Now you need to take your right hand to the left side above your head. Your right hand to the left side. Left hand to the right side. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Now relax everybody. Relax everyone and take your place. Very good.
आप इनको एक्सरसाइज चाहिए और
Everybody please relax and take your seat.
Vedant and Vedika, please mute.
ये पीला कलर
Please mute. Yes, very good. You know what? Everybody was doing exercise so nicely. इतना मुझे अच्छा लगा. You have done a brilliant job. पूरा balance किया सब बच्चों ने, पूरा try किया. You all are very little babies, but you did it very nicely. Clapping for all my babies. बहुत अच्छा किया. So what we have to do is we have to ask Mama, please give one candy to all babies. सबने आज बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज करी है. आपको पता है कुछ लेजी बेबीज होते हैं ना, वो अभी तक स्लीपिंग कर रहे हैं ब्लैंकेट के अंदर, बट मेरे सारे बेबीज इतने एक्टिव हैं कि सुबह सुबह अपनी क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं. वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप एवरीवन. ऑल माय बेबीज आर वेरी एक्टिव, वेरी शार्प, very energetic, that we can start our day with prayer and exercise. That is a warm up. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Now what do we have to do? We have to start our day and we will do a little writing parts afterwards. But yesterday what we have done, who will tell me? कौन बताएगा कल हमने क्या किया था? Adira, you will tell. What we did yesterday?
transport.
Yes, we did means of transport. Yes, very good. Yes, Pehal, now you can tell me anyone road transport. Anyone you can name.
Road
But-
transport.
Road water transport.
रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट.
No, a road transport.
Road transport.
हाँ तो रोड पे क्या चलता है?
Transport.
Which transport? Name any vehicle?
Car. Auto.
Car. Very good.
Auto.
Car, auto, bus. Very nice. Very good. Now next question is for
Bus.
Avyan Bose. Next question is for you, Avyan.
उधर उड़ती है ना?
हाँ, Avyan सुनो. Avyan, listen to ma'am.
Listen to ma'am.
Name any air transport.
Air
जो हवा में
transport.
चलता है. Name
बताओ,
anyone.
अभी बता रहे थे ना, बताओ.
Plane.
Come again.
One more time. Say clearly.
Plane.
Plane. Yes, it's aeroplane. Very nice. Now next question is for Savi Pandey. Yes, Savi. Name anyone water transport.
वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. बाबू हाँ बोलिए. वाटर पे जो चलता है, जोर से बताइए.
Ship.
Ship. Very good girl. Now next question is for Rudransh Tomar. Rudransh is there? रुद्रांश, next question is for you. You need to tell me one land transport जो रोड पे चलता है ट्रांसपोर्ट. जल्दी से बता दो. कार नहीं बताना, कार के अलावा बताना.
बताओ रोड पे क्या चलता है, बताओ.
बाइक और अ
बताओ
ट्रक.
मैम आपसे पूछ रही हैं रोड पे क्या चलता है,
Okay.
क्या
Okay,
चलता है
I'll
रोड
take
पे.
it as a bike. You like a motorbike. Okay,
Truck.
मैंने motorbike ले लिया. Now, today we will learn one more mode of transport. One more mode of transport is the rail transport. Rail means one railway track is there and the transport will move on that track only. I'll sit here. Okay, that is a rail transport. देखो, by rail. Rail क्या होता है? जो पटरी पे चलते हैं, जो ट्रैक पे चलते हैं, ट्रांसपोर्ट. That is a tram or a train or a tunnel train or a subway. Whatever thing move on a track is called a rail transport. Rail transport आदिरा कहाँ पे चलते हैं?
Ma'am is asking you. Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Okay, rail transport. Adira,
Ma'am is asking.
name anyone rail transport. The transport which moves on the rail, the track. Anyone transport. That is a train. Train always moves on a track. Yes, a train or a metro train or a tunnel train or a tram or a subway. So all these are transport which moves on a track. अच्छा, अब ध्यान से सोचो. मैम एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है. रुद्रांश, आप मैम को सुन रहे हो ना? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछूंगी, ध्यान से सुनो सारे बेबीज. क्या कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि ट्रैफिक जाम हो गया है और ट्रेन जो है वो निष्ठा मैम के घर के पीछे से निकल जाए ट्रैफिक का रास्ता बनाती हुई? इज इट पॉसिबल कि ट्रेन मैम के हाउस या पहल के हाउस के पास से चली जाए ट्रेन? इज इट पॉसिबल?
No.
No, it is not possible because a track is required for the train. भवलीन कौर, ऐसा हो सकता है कि बारिश आई और ट्रैफिक हो गया और मेट्रो जो है वो हमारे घर के बाहर से निकल जाए? Is it possible?
No.
No, it is not possible कि मेट्रो हमारे घर के बाहर से निकल जाए. तो all the trains, trams, metro, subway, they need a track. इनको रोड नहीं चाहिए, इनको क्या चाहिए? ट्रैक. ट्रैक और a rail. अगमजीत, आपके घर के बाहर से कभी ट्रेन गई है? जब ट्रैफिक जाम हो जाता है तो हमारे घर के बाहर से चली जाती है?
बताओ.
No, नहीं जा सकती because track is not there. अबे आयांश, आपके घर के बाहर से कल गई थी ट्रेन? नहीं गई, क्योंकि
ट्रेन नहीं गई थी.
ट्रैक चाहिए ट्रेन चलाने के लिए. पहल के घर के बाहर से भी नहीं गई. चारवी, जब बारिश आई थी तो ट्रेन छुपने के लिए हमारे घर में तो नहीं आ गई थी? नहीं, क्योंकि आ ही नहीं सकती ना, ट्रैक नहीं है. तो ट्रेन कहाँ पे आती है? Wherever we have a track, wherever we have a rails, railway track पे always trains will move. ठीक है दिविक, आपके हाउस के बाहर ट्रेन तो नहीं आई थी कल? नो. क्यों नहीं आई थी? क्योंकि रेलवे ट्रैक ही नहीं है. Right. Okay, Vedika, next question is for you. Vedika, हम अपने घर के बाहर, वेदिका, हम अपने हाउस की पार्किंग में ट्रेन को खड़ा कर सकते हैं क्या? ट्रेन को हमारे हाउस की पार्किंग में ट्रेन आ सकती है?
नहीं, क्यों? ट्रेन किस पे चलती है? ट्रैक पे.
Is a track, a railway track. Very nice. So today we have learned one more mode of transport, that is rail transport. water transport, air transport, land transport, and rail transport. Rail means the transport which moves on a track. Track is required, and that transport will not go anywhere without a track. So we need to follow a track if we want to travel on that rail transport. Very good. Tomorrow I will ask you the question about it. All the types of transport. Okay. Bhavleen, आप आज चेक करते रहना आपके घर के बाहर तो नहीं आ रही ट्रेन. You need to check it today. सब बच्चे मुझे चेक करके बताएंगे किसी के घर के बाहर ट्रेन पार्किंग तो नहीं हो गई. ठीक है? Done. Very good. Now move on to our curriculum part. Over to you, Sangeeta ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So take out your English notebook, all my babies. Today we are doing English writing. Take out your English notebook. Yes. So we have already done A to X. We have already done A to X alphabets in sequence. Right? So what we are doing, write the first letter. Yes, what we are doing, write the first letter of the given pictures. Write the first letter of the given pictures, right? So quickly take out your English notebook.
Bhavleen, please mute the beta.
Yes, so what we are doing, write the first letter of the given picture. We will write first letter of the given pictures, right? See the first picture. First picture is apple. Apple. And the first letter of apple is A. Apple. We will write letter A. Next is umbrella. Umbrella. We will write first letter Pehel, unmute yourself. Tell me which picture is this?
Ma'am, please unmute.
My voice is coming, Shruti ma'am?
Yes, now
Yes,
it is coming, Sangeeta ma'am.
Yes. Next, Rudransh, you will tell me which picture is this? Rudransh.
Right. Light.
Lamp. And the lamp starts from which letter? Letter L. Yes, very good, Rudransh. Pehel, again. Which picture is this?
अब क्या है वो?
Tree. And tree start from which letter?
ये क्या है?
Which letter?
Letter T.
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 Yes, T is for tree. Yes, Charlie. Now your turn. Which picture is this?
क्या कप आगे करो थोड़ा.
मैडम क्या पूछ रही है? बोलो कप.
कप.
This cup. We will write letter C. Yes, next turn is Agamjeet. Agamjeet, unmute yourself. Tell me which picture is this? Yes, Agamjeet. Which picture is this? Drum. D, drum. Next, Adira. Adira, Adira, unmute yourself.
Okay. What is this?
Yes, which picture? Kite. And kite start from which letter?
Yeah.
K. Yes. Now next turn is Avleen. Avleen, unmute yourself.
मैम पूछ रही बेटा देखो
Yes,
अच्छा, वो तो-
Avleen.
Mom.
एक मिनट
Which picture is this?
we are not able to see in the picture ma'am
Yes. Ma'am, picture is not visible. Yes, now it is visible.
Yes, which
No.
picture is this?
हाँ ऐसा सो किएगा मैम ने किएगा
Mango.
मैंगो
Mango.
मैंगो बोलो किए
Yes,
सीधे सीधे बोल मैंगो
mango starts
Ma'am, कुछ नहीं?
from letter
M
M.
M for mango
Lala.
मैंगो
M is
बेटा
for mango.
M for mango
Right?
बोलना
Mama.
हाँ
Yes,
No.
all babies doing very good. M is for mango. So what we are done. We are done. We have
That would be
done. Write the first letter of the given picture.
Apple.
I think listen to ma'am carefully.
Yes, Shruti ma'am, please share the screen. Yes, all my babies, this is worksheet for you. Write the first letter of the given picture. I will ask one by one question. Now again, first one is Pehel. Pehel, tell me the first picture.
बोलो
Cheating.
and
And we will write letter A.
And.
A.
A.
Now
Yes.
next turn is Ayansh.
ये क्या करना
Ayansh,
था?
tell me the next picture.
Mom.
बताओ
Xylophone. We will write letter H. Very good, Rudransh and Ayansh. Next is Savi. Savi.
Dolphin. Dolphin.
Yes, D, dolphin. Very good. Now next turn is Avyan Bose. Avyan, tell me the next picture.
Watch.
Watch. Yes, next is
Let us
Shakti.
watch.
Shakti, unmute yourself.
C for car. V for car.
Very good.
Yes, very good. Now next turn is Avleen. Next picture.
Avleen, next question is for you, beta. Look at the picture, Avleen Kaur.
Yes, Avleen. Unmute yourself. Yes, tell me the next picture.
सुनो क्या है ये बोलिन क्या पिक्चर है
That's the
पिक्चर क्या है गिटार
Guitar. Very good. Guitar. Write letter G.
G.
Okay. Now next turn is again Rudransh. Rudransh,
Good,
tell me
good.
the next picture.
बताओ क्या है ये, बताओ.
Yes, Rudransh.
एक मिनट यार, मेरे को उससे कंटी डाल के दे दे.
Okay, next is Vedant and Vedika. Vedant and
Vedika, Vedant,
इसमें डाल के दे.
what letter it starts from?
ये हो गया. इंडिया से कुछ भी प्रोडक्शन.
Yes, flowers start from letter F. Right? Next turn is again Akshdeep. Akshdeep, unmute yourself. Yes, tell me the next picture.
ये क्या है? What is this? L for बोलो lamp.
Lamb.
नीचे जा. उनकी क्लास लग रही है ना, नीचे जा.
Yes.
बदतमीजी कर रही है तो.
Parents, please mute.
Yes.
Loudly बोलो. I for
Next is
loudly बोलो ना. I for igloo. बोलो ना.
igloo. Igloo. Now last picture. Charvi. Charvi, your turn.
Paper. Book.
B. Book.
B. Book.
Yes, B. Book. Yes, all babies doing very good.
Yes, all my dear students, today we have done, look at the picture and write its first alphabet. Write the alphabet with which that picture starts. Okay, like C for car, B for bus. So look at the picture. Whatever sound is coming at the first number, you have to write that alphabet. Now today we will write 1 to 10 together combined in a vertical order. एक ही stretch में 1 to 10 लिखना है हमने. Okay, and all of you knows how to write, right? Take out your maths notebooks. Everybody, take out your maths notebooks. Very good. Avyan is ready with the notebook. Ayansh is also ready. Very good. And all the new kids, they start with 1, 4, 7, 9, and 10. Rest all my babies, you have to start from 1 and you have to write till 10. बहुत जल्दी से लिखेंगे. Devik, you need to write 1 and 7. Okay, Babli, you also 1 and 7. Rest all can easily write.
1, 2, 3, 4 लिख.
Babli, ma'am, please, you are requested to mute.
Yes, all my babies, take out your maths notebook. We will write 1 to 10 counting. Yes, quickly take out your maths notebook. Yes. So in your maths notebook, we will write 1 to 10 counting. Always write 1 to 10 counting vertically, top to bottom, right? So start from 1, 2, 3, and what comes after 3? What comes after 3? 4. 4, 5, 6. We have to write vertically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? 7. 7.
Sangeeta ma'am, your video is not coming.
The video is coming. Shruti ma'am, my voice is coming. Video is coming.
Sangeeta, video is not coming. No, it's not coming.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, video in
No,
voice.
Now video
Very
is coming,
good.
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
video is coming.
Yes. Now what comes after 8? 9. And the last? 1, 0.
Yes,
10.
Very good, Adira. Okay, those who have completed it one time, on a single page, you have to write it 3 times vertically, top to bottom, 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. Very beautifully, you are writing, Avleen Kaur. Okay, this is for the last time we are doing 1 to 10. Okay, from next time we'll do 11 to 20 because if we can write 1 to 10, we can write any number. अगर मेरे babies 1 to 10 लिख सकते हैं तो वो कोई भी number लिख सकते हैं, right? So if we are through with 1 to 10, we can quickly learn 11 to 20. Ayansh, have you completed your work? Very good, Divik. Okay, 1 more minute we have to complete our work. Akshdeep, a bit close, you can show me what you have written.
Which number is this? मैम को बताओ क्या लिखा आपने? Number 1. बोलो 1. अच्छे बोलो 1. सीरत आप चुप. बोलो number 1.
Very nice, Akshdeep. You have to complete the full page, okay? Yes, Charvi, I'm waiting for your work. Good, very good. Rudransh, are you writing anything?
मैम हो गया.
Yes, very nice, Avyan. Very good boy. On a page, 3 times, 1 to 10. Very good work, Pahel. Very beautiful work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. Very good, Sabi Pandey. Very nice. Yes, good work, Adira. थोड़ा सा पीछे से दिखाओ. Very nice. Very beautifully you have written, Adira. Very nice. I am very happy for you. Yes, Hemant, have you completed your work? You want to show it to ma'am?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my baby.
Yes, all my babies. Stand up for the dance.
Yes, stop writing. Stand up for the dance and say goodbye to your friends and to your ma'am.